Hi, everyone. I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. A much quieter day today after the extensive damage on the Cape National Weather Service. Still kind of sorting through a lot of the data and a lot of the reports that came in, and we'll be giving us an update later on today in terms of the path width and the length of the tornado that touched down in two areas yesterday on Cape Cod. 80s today inland, 70s at the coast. Tonight, few clouds, 55 to 60. AC can get a break, 66 in downtown Boston. This is just the start of a really tranquil stretch, a mainly dry stretch of weather as well, and a warming stretch. Mid-80s tomorrow, 70s at the coast with sea breezes, turning a little more muggy for Friday and through the weekend, but nothing oppressive. It just gets a little bit sticky. 2 points climb back up into the low to mid 60s through the upcoming weekend, and temperature is going to be in the upper 80s on Saturday, 90 on Sunday. There's about a 20% chance of an isolated thunderstorm on the weekend, late day, pop up in nature, but I think most of us will stay dry. Heat wave for some inland cities and towns Sunday, Monday, Tuesday as the temperatures top out in the low 90s to start next week, with more pop-up thunderstorms possible later on Tuesday.